In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a ticket bot to your Discord server. So the first thing you want to do is go into Google and type in Discord ticket bot. And then the first link that pops up, it says tickets, the best ticket bot for Discord from ticketbot.net. And you click on this link. And then it's very easy from now on. All you want to do is click on invite tickets to your server. And then you press on it. And you're going to be redirected to the Discord website, and you have to select a server in which you'd like your bot to be added, okay? So I only have one server on my Discord, and it's the one for these tutorials, so I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, this will allow the developer of tickets to add a bot to server and create commands, and that's perfectly fine. And then you select a server, as I said, and click on continue. And then you have to confirm and grant tickets the following permissions on your server. So as you can see, there are many permissions, but don't worry about it. This bot is safe and you'll be good with checking all of these. If you uncheck some of them though, some functions may malfunction and some features of the bot may not work, but you should be fine if you're keeping all of them checked. And there's no reason why not to. Okay, and then once that's done, you have to click on authorize. And then you have to confirm that you're human, so click here. And then once that's done, you're going to be notified in your Discord and see that your tickets bot has been added to the server. As you can see, it's now in the server. You'll get a private message where there are multiple instructions on how to set up your tickets bot, and you can then start using it as you'd like. And that was it. That's how you add a ticket bot to your Discord server. And I hope this video helped you out, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.